I'm about to get ready to go grab coffee with a friend. Excited. I'm gonna bring you guys along, show you my outfit. So I am meeting her literally in like a couple minutes, so I need to go ahead and get ready. Alright guys, so this is the outfit that I am planning on wearing. Ignore my shoes. They're not on my bed because, you know, I'm not like that. I do not put shoes on my bed. They're laying on these pants. I was just filming a reel or a TikTok. So yeah, this is my outfit. I'm wearing these Nike Dunks. These are my favorite. I just love the way those two colors complement each other. So, and I love the cream. The cream goes with the leather pant. It makes sense, okay? It makes sense in my head. So I'm wearing these. And then I'm wearing this was like my first vintage bag, I believe. I had gotten this a few years ago from the Real, and it's just this cute cream and gold like shimmer Louis Vuitton bag. This is from, I believe this was from like a 2004 cruise collection. I can't remember. But yeah, I'm wearing this. I just thought this like is so perfect. Like, I love it. And then I'm wearing these leather pants that I got from Zara. I think I need to return them. I'm trying to decide because like they're a little tight, but yeah, it has like a cute little slit in the side. So those are really cute. And then I'm wearing this hoodie that I stole from a guy, so I just really like it. Hey guys, so I just got to the coffee shop. I feel so bad because I was running late. The traffic was horrible. This place was only like 6 miles from me and it ended up taking me like 30 minutes, so that's annoying. But anyways, I'm here. It looks really cute. So we just got to the coffee shop. It is so cute in here.
They say our name. Have you heard your name?
I haven't heard my name.
Okay, I haven't heard my name.
They did?
Yeah, I didn't even hear it.
Thank you. I love how we're both
I think when you were outside, I was like, oh my god, we're literally like same vibe.
So we just got our food. Our food looks so good. I'm with my friend. Hey. She also has a YouTube channel. I'll be sure to link it. Food looks really good. She got a quesadilla.
So good. And then I got a white chocolate vanilla latte. Looks so good.
And then I just got avocado toast and a vanilla latte with oat milk. Or a knife or something. No? I'll just get it. Okay.
Is this
I think it's sour cream. Here's a napkin.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, let's see if it's good. I wish I had salt and pepper.
That looks so good. You made mine?
Yeah, it looks a little bland, so let me go get some seasoning.
Where's the salsa though?
I know, that's weird.
I don't like that.
You would think it would have like hot sauce or something. So I kind of want hot sauce for my avocado.
I also know they make good money.
They do.
That's what I heard.
Yeah, they make good money. And then I have a friend that does it.
That's nice, yeah. I feel like there's probably like a lot of good options too, you know? Just washing hands. Just washing a mess. My lip gloss is all gone.
Oh, that's probably what I needed. Lip gloss.
Guys, we're trying to take some pictures in the coffee shop and it's just not working out for us. The lighting is good, but we're just like struggling. Yeah. And we're trying to take a picture right here, but you know. And I wasn't even recording. Oh hell no. This is a sign that I need to cancel the rest of the day.
Oh, maybe if I do it like from this side. Hey guys, so I'm just now leaving the coffee shop. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here so I have enough time to go and edit and upload by today. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun. I enjoyed my time. It was a lot of fun. Nice little girl talk. I feel so motivated. That's how you know that the vibes are good and like you're with a good person who has like good energy, is when you leave hanging out with them and you just feel like motivated and inspired. So yeah, vibes are good. Gonna edit this and look and see if I found a cute picture of my outfit today. I cannot breathe in these leather pants, so I need to go home and take these things off. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you did, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one. Bye guys.